Hi, my name is Jazmine Lambarca and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making a video about this TikTok video that I saw, and it's like very New York style. And this lady was very inspiring to me, and I decided to make two looks out of this look. I will link the TikTok video below in the description box. So I was so inspired by this look and by this lady called Cynthia that I decided to do two looks based on this particular look. So essentially, I'm taking this turtleneck and making two outfits out of it. But first, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos weekly. I post twice a week on Sundays and Wednesdays. So for this look, I'm wearing long jeans, boots, and my Ralph Lauren belt. And I think that this belt is just very classic. Also, I'm wearing gold jewelry, gold earrings, and a lot of gold arm candy. So yeah, the lady on the video was wearing so much gold and fabulous earrings and bracelets. But yeah, so this is the arm candy I decided to wear because I can be inspired by an outfit, but still keeping my style, if that makes sense. Also, she was wearing the most fabulous sunglasses, but it's not really my style. So I have several pairs of sunglasses, but I decided to wear these. These are Ray-Bans and these are classics. So yeah, so I got these, I think last year, and they're plastic, really easy to put on your hair. Because I typically really like aviators, but you know, aviators you can't put on your hair. So yeah, I'm gonna wear these with this look. So yeah, so I had a very similar coat. I think it's a darker green than what she's wearing, but still it will make the look that I want to go for. And I'm wearing my LV with this look. Now luckily I can get away with wearing this outfit here where I live because it's like 30 degrees out right now. So here's the other angle of the outfit. So these are the boots that I'm wearing, which are kind of like suede. And the jeans are from Zara. So this is the second look. So the lady in the video had a leather skirt and tights and some high under the knee boots, but they were like heel style. So this is like more of a dinner look, like more chic. I am actually loving this look and I definitely might wear this very soon. So this is how this looks like. The boots, the tights, the skirt is from Zara. And I kept the accessories the same. I just think that the accessories are really, really nice with this look, especially with this turtleneck. I mean, I can definitely get away with getting bigger earrings, but I think this will suffice the look. And same arm candy. All right, let's complete the look. One thing that I really like about this look is that the coat is at the same length level as the skirt. So the skirt is a bit shorter just by a tad bit, but it's just perfect length. And yeah, the LV gives it a very nice classic touch, especially with my Ray-Bans. So that was it for my video today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.